Good morning everyone, welcome to the Yan's kitchen. Good morning everyone, today we will be making something. But guess what? I'll be using a ground beef. Some they used ground pork, but I'll like doing mine using a ground beef. So let's start. Let's watch. Let's watch. Watch. Wash. Not watch. We'll be using some. This is parsley. Just throw away the stem. I'll just this. Cut it into green onion. Carrots, next onion. Oops, that's loud. Why now? Then cut it into small pieces. I have my own dishwasher, which is my husband. 2 eggs. Oyster sauce. So it's time to reveal what we will gonna do today. So we will gonna make lumpia. So this one is a ground beef. As I've said a while ago, you can use a ground pork also. So let's mix all together. Onions. Chop it into thin. Then carrots. Ooh. I can still smell that onion. And then green onions. Look at that, it's pretty color. And then of course our parsley. So here we go. I am making this video because some people on our YouTube channel requested for a lumpia, so I am making this for them. But for those who don't know how to make it, here you go. This is just a simple recipe. So, and then soy sauce. Just mix it on there. And then I will add some oyster sauce. And then a little bit of brown sugar. Just not much, just a little bit. Some garlic powder. Few shake. I want mine a lot of garlic. Pepper. And of course salt. Few shake of salt. Then add the egg. This is the key. Oops. Naglalagay we're putting eggs to make them stick together. Then let's mix it using our hands to make it so we can mix it. Wow. Okay, so it's time to rub it. This is scoop a little bit, not much. Then just line it like this. Okay, like that. Then we'll fold it on the other side. Then fold it here again. Just like this. And then just roll it. Using beaten eggs to close it. Just do a few like that. It's pretty, right? There you go. Pretty? It's pretty. Ang ganda-ganda. Okay, and we'll put some oil here. There we go. Let's just wait for now. Let's wait until it's hot. Okay, and then we'll flip it when it's brown on the other side. Flip. Tasting. And we have a dip here. This is how to eat this one. Just leave it here. Proud of myself.
I am too. Look how good that is. Wait!